By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your own recording template for FL Studio. This is for the people that got a lot of presets. I'm talking about a lot of presets, whether you bought them, whether you got them from Reddit or Discords or whatever. I'm gonna walk you through how I make recording templates, right, in FL. All I need from you is to like the video, right? Leave a comment. First thing first, we need a beat, right? So this is gonna be beat. All right, so we're gonna assign this right here for beat, right? So now we know that's beat. Hey, beat. All right, so now I gotta put my beat in here. Before I put the beat in here, I have to change that right there, right? And then I go back over here, then I get my beat, and then I go up here and I put my beat here. So then I double click on this, then I trim that, put that there, so we got that on one, right? Then I gain stage, bring it down, right? I don't know how hard the 808 is hitting, but it's cool. So ain't got an 808. It's different, right? Chill route, right? You know? Okay, so we got the beat. So with that being said, what I'm gonna do now is just go back over here. Now I gotta make a record track. So boom, record track, you know, we'll make it red, right? For the time being, right? So that's my record. So do I wanna print here? I don't know. Who knows, right? So let's say I do want to print and I know I'm printing. So I'm gonna do post EQ, and that's gonna include the EQ down here. So I'm gonna go back over here. I can't spell print, right? So that's my print track. So I assign that right there. So I'm printing there and I'm good to go, right? And for the people that don't understand what printing is, it's when you go to a studio, right, and you record through the Neve. So whatever settings you got on the Neve, that's gonna get printed onto your vocal. Same thing for like the compressors or any other outboard gear that you're using, like a DS and stuff like that. So even if you use the UAD console, you can record through the plugin, you know what I'm saying, as if you was in the studio. So, but for the people that don't have it or they don't want to use it, don't know how to use it, but you want to do this, it's very simple. FL makes it very simple. Anything external, can't talk, external input and mixer, right? These right here, those are monitoring. Those aren't gonna print, but post effects, post EQ, post anything, that's gonna print, right? So now you understand that. So now I like to go to 10 right here, and might go to 11. So let's start with 11, and 11 will be like my reverb A, right? And then 12 will be reverb B. And then what we got? 13 is the delay. Alright. So those are the things that I usually go with. If you have more reverbs that you want to mess with, more delays, like half, fourth, you know what I'm saying, holes, you know what I'm saying, you want to add more deep vox, you want to add harmonies, you want to add flanger, it's a lot of stuff you can put on sends, right? Because a lot of people don't really be using FL for like templates, but you know, that's them, right? We do what we want, right? So like so this right here, so I'm just gonna change the color, and then the color of these make those like that pink color right there. So now with these right here, so like I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So I'm gonna do 6. So, but on 9, I'm gonna route, right? So I'm gonna route all of the tracks, right, to this track only. So this right here is gonna be my Vox Plus, right? So boom, so I got that as my Vox Bus, and I'm just gonna change the color. I should have changed all of it. So let's just make that blue. So now how my routing is set, you see like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like all of that goes to 9, right? All of those are going to 9. So with that being said, it's just simple. So now I'll go through here. Let's see. Okay. Like I don't know if that's gonna be the hook or not, but it's like, you know, box B, box C, right? Ashes, box range. So same thing. Select all these, and I'll turn all these one color, so we'll make it slime. So All right, so we got all those, and I got an extra buffer between those if I need to use this track for anything. So now I got the routing set up so far. Now it's time to add the plugins, right? Because that's kind of how I build the template around it. But I want to make it where it's simple and it's not confusing at all. So for this one, since I'm using the Slate mic, I'm gonna go a little crazy. Pulling this U87. All right, so we got the U87 here, and that's my mic. So my mic is going first, and then let's see. It got it. We got it. Yeah, got it. We got it. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, got it. We got it. All right, so let's see. I want that to be on my tracking chain. Cool. Now it's like, okay, what was I doing for the reverbs, right? So now that is the thing. So whatever plugins we put on here, we could just try it out, find the settings while we play the beat. We don't really have to really go too crazy with a lot of different things. We can keep it simple. So so right here, so you see I got the reverb here. So what I'm gonna do, click on my record track, go to the reverb, yup, play beat. Yeah. Yeah, we need a tuning plugin. Let's put X pitch. Alright, and then low latency, and then what it is. What's the key? What's the key? B flat minor. B flat minor. Cool. So we got it. We got it. So look at that. Okay. Baby don't play it. Baby don't play it. Baby don't play it. Don't play it. Yeah. Baby don't play it. Don't play it. Baby don't play it. Don't play it. Okay. Baby don't play it. Don't play it. Alright, shit. Alright, so this shit really fucking me over right now. So let's see. Okay. Alright, so let's go to Pro Tools, right? Big dog, baby, don't play like that. I got hold on play like that. I just don't play like that. Big dog, baby, don't play like that. I got hold on. Baby, hold it down. Baby, wanna hold it down. Reverb beat now. Baby, wanna hold it down. No. Baby, don't hold it down. 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 So like now we go to delay. I can do what I want. Baby, don't hold it down. Baby, don't hold it down. Baby, hold it down. Yeah, baby, don't hold it down. She now. Baby, baby, hold it down. Like it. Shawty get loose. Shawty get loose. What it do? Baby, what it do? What it do? Baby, what it do? Baby, what it do? You see? Okay, I'm that type of nigga that you don't wanna take home. You don't wanna take me home. You don't want me to meet your mama. Promise you don't want me to meet your mama. You don't want me to meet your mama. Yeah. You don't want me to meet your mama. You don't want me to meet your mama. Yeah, you don't want me to meet your mama. You don't want me to meet your mama. No, you don't want me to meet your mama. No, you don't want me to meet your mama. Yeah, you don't want me to meet your mama. You don't want me to meet your mama. You don't want me to meet your mama. You don't meet your mom. You don't want me to meet your mom. No, you don't want me to meet your mom. No, you don't want me to meet your mom. You don't want me to meet your mom. No, no, you don't want me to meet your mom. No, you don't want me to meet your mom. No, no, you don't want me to meet your mom. You don't want me to meet your mom. You don't want me to meet your mom. No, you don't want me to meet your mom. You don't want me to meet your mom. No, you don't. You don't me. Alright, so look, you see, simple. So like now, like whatever, like so it's like whatever preset we got, right? Let's say we got a preset, we want to put it here, or we don't want to put it on our record, right? Let's say we want to put a preset here. We can put whatever preset we want here, right? We can just click one and it goes here, right? So now when we mix in or something, like, let me record something real quick so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I swear too many women want my heart. Too many women want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful. Let's see. Bring it down, right? So watch it, wait. I swear too many women want my heart, Too many women want my heart, they want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful. So like, bring it down. So like, we just bring it straight down, right? So I swear too many women want my heart, Too many women want my heart, they want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot. I swear too many women want my heart, Too many women want my heart, they want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful. So with everything said, so like we bring it down, so like for runs, right? See, watch it. So like, I swear too many women want my heart, Too many women want my heart, they want my heart. They want me to. So like, watch it. I swear too many women want my heart, they want my heart. Too many women want my heart, they want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot. So like, you see that? So I got it. So like, I just play it. I swear too many women want my heart, they want my heart. Too many women want my heart, they want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful. So like, watch it. So like, if I go over here, watch, let's go to my record track. Let's see. I should turn those off for the time being. Unlink those. So like when I'm done recording, right? So like it could be like this, right? Something simple. So like now, like watch the mixer. So like watch. I swear too many women want my heart, they want my heart. Too many women. So you see how that controls all of the vocals? Literally, that controls every single vocal that's routed to that bus, right? So like, watch it. So like, watch it. I swear too many women want my heart, they want my heart. Too many women want my heart, they want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful. So like, watch this. So now, let's say we need one to be lower. So like, what we're looking at. So Vox A is the lead, right? So we know that's the lead. This right here. This could be like a dub or something, right? I swear too many women want my heart, So that's what we can pan this. I swear too many women want my heart, Too many women want my heart, they want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful. I swear too many Like, see, now we can sit there control it. Watch it.
I swear too many women want my heart. Too many women want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful. I swear too many women want my heart. Too many women want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful.
Oh, you see how they going?
I swear too many women want my heart. Too many women want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful. I swear too many women want my heart. Too many women want my heart. They want me to be faithful.
So like, watch this. We want all the vocals to have reverb. All the vocals not have reverb, right?
I swear too many women want my heart. Too many women want my heart. They want me to be faithful.
So like, let's say we don't want all of them to have reverb. So now let's say we only wanted the lead to have it. See, you see how important this is, or how like fully in control you are when you have it like this. So like, watch this. So like, now the lead vocal is the only thing that has it, right?
I swear too many women want my heart. Too many women want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful.
Watch it.
I swear too many women want my heart. Too many women want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful.
So simple, like so much control we got. And if we need more tracks, we can just make more tracks. It's completely up to us on how we want to do it. But the routing is so crazy because it's like, let's say we want to put any plugin right here on there, right there. So like, let's say I want to go over here and put the Manly Vox box on it, like run all the vocals through the Manly Vox box, right? So we can go over here, find something, right? So I gotta sneeze, but you know, let's watch it.
I swear too many women want my heart. Too many women want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful. I swear too many women want my heart. Too many women want my heart. They want me to be faithful. I cannot be faithful.
Like, we got so much control, bro. I promise you, if you learn how to make your own template, route it the way that you like to route it, where you understand it, and then you can drag and drop and add and build your own presets around and incorporate it into a template like this, like, bro, routing is everything. Once you understand routing, you pretty much understand a lot when it comes to mixing, because it's like a lot of people get stuck because all they want to do is just stack plugins. When you can spread everything out, pause, right? We can just spread everything out and you know what I'm saying, and just nitpick at what we want to fix, what needs to be louder in the mix, right? So let's say we get the mixing and the libs need to be up more. Hey, guess what? Hey, turn them up. Oh, the lead vocal is just a little too loud. Hey, turn it down. Oh, we need to turn the runs up. Turn it up. Oh man, we just need to turn all the vocals up overall versus trying to like go over here and nitpick all these. Hey, all the vocals are running to here. Hey, turn it up. Oh, the vocal's too loud. Turn it down. Right? The vocals in the beat not lining up. Hey, turn the beat down. Turn the vocals up a little bit. You know, it's so many different things that we can do here